Wondering if dental implants might be right for you? At Dental Implant Institute, we understand that your smile tells a story. If you're experiencing loose or missing teeth, difficulty enjoying your favorite foods, or notice changes in your facial structure, these could be signs that dental implants are your path to renewed confidence. Living with failing or missing teeth doesn't have to be your reality anymore. Modern dental implants offer a permanent, life-changing solution that can restore your smile and quality of life. Your journey to a complete, healthy smile starts here. At Dental Implant Institute, our experienced team uses the latest dental implant technology to create lasting, natural-looking results. Take the first step towards transformation. Contact us at 702-220-5000 or visit www.dentalofficeslasvegas.com to schedule your personalized consultation.